This is a brand new 2012 Acura MDX. This vehicle has seating for 7 adults, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, high-intensity headlights, XM satellite radio, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, a power rear lift tailgate, a premium audio system, leather seats, an electronic throttle, a rear spoiler, rear impact crumple zones, cruise control, and dual zone air conditioning. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Continental Acura is a proud member of the Naperville Test Track. Visit us today for your best test drive experience ever.